So spot on, I spent $100 today at Woolworths. So let me show you what I've got. Let me show you quickly on the catalog the Woolworths specials this week. Now every Wednesday they change the specials, that you always get something like these as you go in the Woolworths store, or you can check them online. So this is pretty much half the price. Alright, so there's a lot of specials today at Woolworths, so yeah, make sure you drop by and have a look of the things that you need and get them before they run out, because some people will stock up heaps. Alright, so let's get started with my shopping haul. Alright, as you probably all know me by now, I always get myself a 3 Little Milk. So this is from Woolworths. This is a Woolworths brand. This is $3.59. So that's there. And the oat chocolate, that's $4. That is the normal price. So got my little one some Hello Panda. This is like a chocolate snack. There's a chocolate biscuit snack. So she already opened and ate everything in it pretty much. So this was on special. I think half price is $1.90. On special as well is their double espresso coffee drink. Hubby and I loves to drink iced coffee, especially on school run or just when he's going to the gym. He likes to have that. I bought Oral-B toothbrush, the Mini Miles. So this is actually on special. I think half price at $2. And of course the Pantene shampoo, that's 900 mils. This is about $7.85. So this is really a good buy because it's half the price. Otherwise you'd be paying a lot if you buy them on a normal price. So I tend to stack 1 or 2 as soon as they come on specials. So I've got these on, I think on clearance or on special, I'm not too sure, but it did had a yellow ticket on it. I think it was $3, so I needed one of these cleansing wipes, especially when I'm in a rush to clean my face. So popcorn, we thought of trying this. I haven't tried this myself, but my little one requested. She said, mommy, let's try this one in yellow packet. Here's her favorite color is yellow, so she thought, oh, maybe this is a good popcorn. I don't know. It said made in Australia, made with Australian corn. So we'll see how that tastes like. So on special as well today, half price are the Barilla pasta brand. So this is my favorite. I liked it, number 5. They're really good with pasta when you're making bolognese. Yeah, it's perfect, I think, for me and for my family. So I went ahead buy 2. See, why not? So when everything is on special, when something is on special, you buy 1, 2, or heaps and just put them in your pantry. You save money that way. That's 2. The other thing that was on special today was the Betty Crocker ready-made cakes. So I got so it is actually half price. So it's $2.60, so half the price. So I've got them, I got 2. So this is the chocolate biscuit, so milk chocolate chunk. So this is good for school lunches and also you know, baking activities for my 2 girls. So they just like rolling and putting little M&Ms or chocolate chips, and yeah, it tastes great. And why not? Everything is right done for you and pre-mix. So I like to have them here in my pantry. And also I like the triple chocolate brownie mix. So I still got the devil's cake mix from Aldi here. So I thought of just getting the triple chocolate brownie mix today. Anyway, they're half price, so I've got 2. Now, one of the favorite bread that we'll have when we go to Woolworths is the olive bread. So this is actually a freshly made bread. I'll show you. My daughter ate half of it. Always shocking. Now, so it got some olives on the top. This actually is very cheap and it's very fresh. It's very fresh, especially when you come in the morning. They just came out from the oven and they put a lot of olives on the top. So that. Now Powerade is actually on half price this week as well. It is $1.80. Now that is great. My husband needs some Powerade or any drinks. So this is for my hubby. It is on special half price, so why not buy them at $1.80 rather than buying them full price. So I just put them in the fridge, and when he goes and train on the weekend or go for a long run, he will just take this from the fridge and pop it in his bag, so he'll be happy with that. And also half price, actually, the Colgate Plaques Fresh Tea mouthwash. I bought that today. It's actually a half price, so it's at $5, but this is 500 mils. So I'm quite happy with that purchase. So I also got passata cooking sauce in this brand. I like them because they're very, very thick. I'll be making kafta batata dish, just a cooking sauce. So this is actually, I think, $2, but on a regular price, but that's fine. I like this brand anyway. Now, since I don't have time to go to Aldi, I got this chocolate drink in 2 mils size. They are the Moo brand from Devondale. Now it's actually 6 in a pack, and this is actually at $5.40 at a normal price. So sometimes they go down to 30% off, or 20% off, but I don't have time to wait for them, and I needed them, these drinks, tomorrow and for the weekend. So yeah, so that's that. And just got myself some Thai jasmine rice. This is a kilo, so that cost me about $2.50 on a regular price. That's a Woolworths brand. A kilo, so I got myself one good looking broccoli head for my stir fries. For this head it cost me 92 cents, so that's really cheap. 92 cents for, or like $1 for just one broccoli head. So that's great. It's really the fresh produce at Woolworths. Most of them are really cheap today. No, that's just my opinion. But yeah, so I also went ahead to get 2 green pears. They are actually $2.50 a kilo, so they're not too bad. So usually I get them from Aldi, but today I didn't really have time to go to Aldi, so I got these. They're actually big size pear. The big size pear, and they're $2.50 a kilo. So I went ahead and got 2, and 2 green pears cost me 79 cents. So yep. And of course, as you may know, my family loves blueberries and strawberries, and it is still on special actually at Woolworths, the blueberries. So they're $2.50 each for a punnet. Now that is my blueberry. They're so yummy. I bought another punnet the other day, and we love that. So I've got 2 today. So that's 2 for $5. They are actually so yummy. It tastes like you just actually picked it up from the farm. So it's dark fresh, and it's healthy for you, and it's actually very cheap at the moment. So why not grab 2 punnets and spoil your kids and yourself. And of course, we love strawberry. We can't have blueberries without the strawberries. So I've got 1. I still got half a punnet in the fridge, so I went ahead and just got 1 strawberry today. And this is also from Woolworths, and that's $1.80 for 250 grams. So I'm really happy with my purchase. Now, I don't know if you know me, I probably know me by now. I like my containers color coded. So anything that's blue, these are actually for my husband's lunches. So I like the decor matchups. So anything that's blue is for him, for his lunch. Now, this is actually on special. I think on half price. I'm not pretty sure, but I know it's on special today. I got these for $4.20. Yeah, so every time they go for like on special, I buy 1 or 2, and today I just go 1, and this is actually leak proof. And there is a new product that came out, and I've been eyeing to buy one because it looks so good. You know, the Systema Brilliance, they're actually leak proof. Now today is actually on special, so I've got them for, is that $3? Yeah, $3. So it's actually clear, as you can see. So I was thinking that I'll be using these for my husband's overnight oats, for any oatmeal that he likes to have for breakfast that I needed to do a day or a night before. Now, sometimes if he's running late to work in the morning, he's not able to eat his breakfast, and he prefers them in a takeaway container. So this is actually very cute and leak proof as well. So yeah, so I will try this for the next few days and see if he likes it, and I will let you know. So it's leak proof. Awesome. So I'm really happy with my purchase. Yay! White potatoes. So it's 2 kilos, and I needed the potatoes for my kafta batata, and I'll also be making, I think, shepherd's pie. Okay, so moving on, another half price this week is actually the Ritz. This is really yummy. If you haven't tried this brand with the chocolate in it, it's so yum. I love them. My 2 girls love them, and my husband love them as well. So I just bought one because I still got a few in the cupboard. So yeah, it's sweet and salty, so you better try that. So there's a lot of things that are that are on special today at Woolworths, and of course my noodles, they're actually half price. They come down to 75 cents. So these are my favorite flavors, the beef and chicken. That's that. And this is actually on special, that it is now $1.60 for that, and I need my noodles. As you know, I'm a noodle person. And popcorn, my 2 girls love popcorn when we do movie nights here at home, so it is good to have in the pantry. They are happy with popcorn, any brand of popcorn, but today it's actually on special at Woolworths. It's actually there's 4 bags in this box, and it's actually $4.95. So that's really great. And this is the snack bags that I need for crunch and stick for my daughter. It's actually on normal price at $1.60. Now I've got brioche. This is what they have at Woolworths. I don't have time to go to Aldi, so I'm getting the Toscano brand. Now this is $5 for 8 rolls. So it's a brioche with chocolate. If you can see, there's chocolate inside. So that. 2 facial tissues. This is the Kleenex hypoallergenic box. This is a small box. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hope to see you on my next video. Bye.